guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I thought I'd talk about some of the things that I recycle and reuse on the allotment, plastic in particular, and I'm just going to put up how long it takes for different types of plastic to break down if they get sent to landfill. So plastic bottles can take up to 450 years. That was quite a shock when I read that actually. I didn't think it'd be anything like that. So a couple of the things I use them for, I use them to go on top of canes, just in case you catch one in your eye. So kind of health and safety thing if you like. And I also use them to put on top of sweet corn as it starts to mature to stop the rats getting to it. I also recycle toilet rolls. I make pots like this, and then with these plastic trays you've got a nice seed tray. Another good thing about these is once your seeds come up you can just put these straight into the soil and they rot down in the soil. This, or one of these, was what I grew, well, I started off my tomato seeds in last year. So a few holes in the bottom, bit of soil, sow your seeds, and you've made use of that. You can grow a multitude of things in that, you know, brassicas, whatever. For recycling, all my envelopes go in the compost bin. But remember, if you're using envelopes, just take out the plastic. You don't want that getting in the compost. There you go. And I just tear it up a wee bit, stick it in the compost pile. Egg boxes, again, I rip them up, put them in the compost. So paper and egg boxes goes towards the brown waste. So anyway folks, I hope you found that video of some use and a bit interesting. So it always gives everybody something to think about. So I'll leave this one for here. Thanks for watching, thanks to all my subscribers. If you haven't subscribed yet, I'd appreciate it if you did. Even like, comment, share would be good, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.